This is Science Painter, and in this lesson you will learn how to make a job planner in Excel. A job planner matches careers in a company with employees based on days. Firstly, I try to create name range for all posts. To create a name range, execute the following steps. On the Formulas tab, in the Define Names group, click Define Name. In the Refresh To box, select the range you want to name. Click OK. Do the same for all posts you want to add to the defined name list. Add another worksheet and design a table to use for your job planner. Drop-down lists in Excel are helpful if you want to be sure that users select an item from a list instead of typing their own values. To create a drop-down list in Excel, execute the following steps. On the Data tab, in the Data Tools group, click Data Validation. In the Allow box, click List. Key in the Source box and enter the named range. Drag the cells to apply for all the days of week. Do the same for other carriers. And now you have a fluent job planner. Also, you can change and choose between employees and for a specific day. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.